One of the best make ahead appetizer recipe that you can make and serve on your Thanksgiving dinner table has to be this creamy, cheesy and delicious spinach and feta philo cups. This is an authentic and traditional Greek Spanokopita or Spanokopita recipe that I'm gonna share with you all today. Into a pan, let's add in some oil, and once it's hot, add in some finely chopped onions. Saute it until soft. We do not want to lose the crunch of the onions. Just saute it for a minute or so, and then in goes some baby spinach. If you want, you can also chop in the spinach leaves and then add to our pan. Again, saute it until all the leaves are wilted and then leave it to cool completely. Meanwhile, in a separate bowl, let's start combining the other ingredients, such as we have taken here some softened cream cheese. Whip it up until it is smooth and creamy. If you are making a bigger batch, you can also use a hand mixer to do the job. Once the cream cheese is all smooth, let's add in some feta cheese. This is cumin and garlic flavored one. Along with that, add in some chopped coriander leaves. Mix it up well. To season, we will simply add some salt and pepper, that's it. Combine it all together. Be careful while adding salt because both the feta cheese as well as the cream cheese has some salt to it already. So be careful and then combine it until everything is mixed up. Finally, add the cooled spinach and onion mixture, and our filling for spinach and feta philo cups is all ready. At this stage, you can cling wrap the bowl and let it sit in the refrigerator and use it within 3 to 4 days. Also find substitutions for garlic and feta cheese as well as other flavor combinations in the description box below. Now that our filling is ready, let's put it to a side and start working on our philo cups. To make the philo cups, I'm gonna make use of the ready-made philo sheets. Take one at a time. Brush the top with some melted butter all over and then place a second philo sheet on top of it. Repeat this process until you have 6 sheets of philo pastry. So this is the brand of philo pastry that I am using. Again, this is not a sponsored post. I just wanted to share with you all the pastry that I am using today. Using a sharp knife, divide it into 4 by 3 to get 12 equal portions of pastries. Take out one portion of philo pastries at a time, flip it around and then place it onto your muffin tray such that the base is covered whereas the top is still hanging around the edges. That is what would give you the crispy and crunchy edges. Add a tablespoon of filling in each cavity. Yes, a tablespoon of filling is just enough because the cream cheese is creamier and the feta cheese has a tangy flavor. So a tablespoon is just perfect for each cavity. Bake this in a preheated oven of 200 degrees Celsius for around 5 to 8 minutes until light golden brown in color. Definitely a must-try appetizer recipe. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, then do smash that like button, subscribe to Spices and Flavors for more such baking and dessert related recipes. I'll see you soon in my next one. Until then, this is Sushma signing off. Take care. Bye-bye.